Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika, and today we're gonna be talking about the Le Pen Flex. These are by Marvy Uchida. They are great pens. First of all, they have a collection of markers just like this that says just Le Pen. So be mindful that those are like to write down regular writing. They are not brush pens. So the brush pen ones have to say Flex on the barrel. So they come in a very convenient case for you to store them right there, and even to put the case upright on your desk and be picking the colors as you go. So I find that it's very convenient. I really like the way they come in the package. The nib is really small, it's super tiny, although I mean that's how it looks, you know. It has like a plastic cover around it that makes it look like even smaller, but don't be fooled by it. It can give you very decent upstrokes in the range of small brush pens, that is, of course. We are going to be comparing them to Writech, which are Writech Sign brush pens, which I love lately, and also the Pentel Touch. And you're gonna see that the difference among these three, apart from the slight variations in the shades, the strokes are pretty similar, although the nibs between the three are slightly different, not too much in size. I think the Pentel Touch remains the most flexible of them all in this comparison, at least. But I really like how Marvy Uchida Le Pen Flex feels in the hand. It's really bouncy. It's not a brush nib that will stay bent. It can give you really thin upstrokes and really thick downstrokes to its capacity, of course. And I find it that the letter that comes with it, out of your hand with it, is really cute, and it's very easy to control. So if you're a newbie in lettering and you are like probably searching or hunting for pens to add to your collection and to keep practicing, I think the Le Pen Flex is very beginner friendly as a brush pen. So it won't make you feel so shaky and uncertain of your lettering as a newbie, and you will see very beautiful lettering with it. Plus the color selection is really nice too. So they have like a huge package with all the shades in it. That was too pricey for me at the time, so I first got the pastel ones, which you're gonna be seeing, and the pastel ones just blew me away. The shades are gorgeous. Okay, I'm not into pastels, but to be pastels, they look really nice on camera as well, and they are just lovely shades. They make me feel like a unicorn. So then I got so excited about the pastels and I saved some more money, and then I got the jewel tones, which are amazing. These are more mature like shades. They remind me of the Writech Sign brush pens, which have like vintage ink shades to them. And of course then I got the primary because I needed a black one. So the colors are very opaque and pigmented. You can blend them. They are not water resistant, they are water based, so you can blend them as you do with all water based markers, if you use the tip to tip method, remember that the tips are so tiny that it's not a lot of color that is gonna be picked up by the other markers, so they are gonna clean up really quickly. But it's still possible to do it with them. So if you get the opportunity to have the Le Pen Flex, or if you were having doubts, I totally recommend them, especially if you're just beginning in hand lettering. They are amazing pens. And also, before I forget, these pens you can store them vertical or horizontally as you wish. I contacted Marvy Uchida through Instagram, and they were kind enough to let me know what is the best way to store their pens. So for the Le Pen Flex, doesn't matter how you store them, which I love. And for the Le Pen, the Le Plume too, those they recommend you keep them horizontally. So stay tuned, because I'm preparing a video where I tell you how to store different brands of pen. I've been contacting companies to ask them, please tell me how to do it. So some of them have replied, and I'm gonna share those replies with you. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and subscribe, and I see you on the next one.